Guys, have you ever wondered how to create a Pinterest board, optimize, SEO, keyword looked up all at one time? Stay tuned to this next video. I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest board. The entire video going to be from scratch, basically how to set up a board, keyword optimize, so you can implement this in your Pinterest business. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. All right, guys, let's just get into the training, guys. We're going to do a walkthrough on how to be able to create a Pinterest board. But what we're going to do, we're going to do it the correct way. We're going to go through the keyword research, the full optimization, and try to implement a call to action within your board. And this is the way you need to do every last one of your boards, guys. You need to do it this direction. So what we're going to do, this is one of my niches. It's a new money line site. It's a credit card, loan type deal, finance type niche that I'm involved in. Like I told you, I have several niches that I get involved in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the blog first, guys. And what I'm going to do is let's go to the category credit score. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Pinterest and we're going to type in credit score, which we already have it up here. And let's just look at it, guys. Let's just look at it. You know how I always tell you guys, look along the lines. And what we want to do, we want to see what words are in Pinterest we can use first, because it's a search engine too. So, and when you see those list of words going across right up here, guys, that lets you know that these words are looked at in Pinterest. They're historical data that's showing that these people are looking for things in Pinterest. So let's look at credit card tips. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to copy this keyword right here and we're going to take it to my favorite tool, Uber Suggest. And let's just take a look at this word and see what kind of volume of traffic it has. Okay. Now let's just look at it and scroll down. Okay. Now the competition for this keyword is real easy to rank for. That's in Google, guys. That's what this green is for. But our search volume is not that much. Now, it can be deceiving because I've seen search volume that's in the search engine be, under 500, but has a lot of shares when it comes to Pinterest. So let's take a look at it at Pinterest. Okay, in Pinterest, we do not see a lot of search volume. Now, in this how to get in the 800 credit score club, that's getting a lot of keywords. I mean, a lot of shares if you choose to want to go that route. But we can do a little bit better than that. So let's go back to our let's go back. Let's do let's see. Let's do improve credit score. Let's just try that, guys. This is how you do it. You have to research it. I told you guys, every time you got to do research. And this is per board. Let's take a look at that and see what we got. Just showing, this is a full video to show you how we look. Okay, that's a little bit better, guys. You see that? See, that's got 3,600 volume, but this first keyword, improves credit score. See, it's got SC right here. It says SEO difficulty. See, when it's yellowish orange, you could rank there if you want to, but it has a little bit of competition. And with Pinterest being an authority site, you could rank there. But today, since I want to show you guys how to select keywords that are long tail that can easily rank. Let's take a look at how to improve credit score. And let's go down here. A little bit better volume here. You got 34,000 reshares, 18,000 reshares, 3,000 reshares. So you got a little bit more volume than what I had in the previous credit score tips. So let's just take a look at this one, guys. Let's just take, we're going to go ahead and take this one, guys, just to be on the safe side. And we're going to use this. And this takes you to another in-depth situation. So let's just use how to improve credit score. Let's just come right here. And now let's go back to our main deal here. And what we're going to do is we're fixing to create a board, guys. Let's come in here, and I should have capitalized it, but we're going to do it just right here. Just a full video tutorial just to show you how to do this. All right, let's create that board. And I come in and I use the top pins. We go ahead and populate it. We'll just go ahead and populate the first few. Give a little love to some people that are out there, guys. All right, now we're gonna come in. I always retype this word again. Not trying to be redundant with it, but that's what I do, period. Grammarly, how it wants to put that. Let's make sure we do that, and we can fix the overall picture right there, and it shouldn't affect the keyword anyway. So that's what I like about Grammarly. It corrects me. I keep it on, and that's fine. It shouldn't affect us right here anyway. So let's find out what type of category we want to put that in, because I know on the finance category it's not really in here. So what we're going to do, I would use other, but I'm not going to use other today. You know what? I want to use education. People need to be educated on how to improve their credit score. So what we're going to do is I'm going to save that for right now. Now, let's go and create a description for it. Guys, I'm going to show you how I do it to cut my time down. Right here, I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to copy. I use a tool called Article Forge, because I'm telling you, when you're creating some description, guys, you need a little help. And the reason why I use this tool, because you need to do a description in it on your boards and optimize it every board. So not having but a couple hours to work each night coming home from a 9-to-5 job, you have to have tools to help you out, guys. So I use Article Forge, improve credit score as the main one, and do that as a sub. So I'll come in and just get me a 50-word description. Just go in and let them find it for me. Okay, guys, we're back, and let's take this little 50-word description, and we're gonna make it fit for what we're trying to use it for. All right, we'll take this and come in and get portions of it right here, and let's see how we can make it fit. Now I'm not doing a course. Let's make sure we fix this as a part of our online course. We're gonna change it to post. Yeah, That's how you come in and fix this description, guys. Go through and look at it. And let's do a call to action. And let's just see what it looked like. There we go. So you can come in and let me see. I can, well, let's say before click and read. Let's just go. We're gonna make it plural because we're in a board. I'm almost thinking we're in a pen. We're gonna make it plural, guys. All right. Yeah. Something grammar didn't like. Let's see what we got. I always have to have that, baby, because it helps me out on some things. Let's see what we're missing. Click and read these. Where we at? It's something, it's not there. And I can come back and look at this later. But yeah, you just go through and double check that. Okay, guys, if you take a look at that, guys, you got this board here, and eventually this board will spider, and you'll see this particular keyword to say, let's just take a look at what is out there real quick. And if we don't watch it, you know what, guys? Our link might come in and get into these sites. Now you look at NerdWallet, it's an authority blog. It's that blog been out there for a while. So that's the kind of stuff you're looking for. That's who you competing with. Financial blogs and credit card blogs and credit loan blogs, they have authority to it. So you have to go out there and put something into it to get it some authority. But yeah, guys, that's just a simple little way to create a board. But this is creating a board the right way, guys, doing keyword research and all that kind of stuff. And then I had to come in and put in two to make that sounds a lot better. But yeah, guys, that's how you create a board. And then when you come in and start creating pins related to credit scores, that's a board you can put that in because it's related terms. So, and it's more boards we will create, but I just want to get you started because you saw when I put in credit score up here, it's several more keywords we can create boards from. And this is a very young Pinterest account. I don't have, but if I'm not mistaken, I don't have that many boards. 26 boards, guys. So real simple, real nice boards to create. So guys, I just want to kind of do a video tutorial and walk you through of creating a board. So this is the way you do it, guys. Take care, and I will see you guys on the next video. Be blessed and stay free from the coronavirus.